Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to how to install Terraform latest version v1.1.5 on Google Cloud Platform Cloud Shell, which we are going to see in this demo. So how to install this? Okay. So now I am going to open a Google Cloud Console. So this is my Google Cloud Console. So these commands which we are going to use. Okay, this is a Google Cloud Console. This is a dashboard, and now we need to activate the cloud shell. Now we need to run few commands for installing the latest Terraform version. So it is provisioning our cloud shell machine. So now it is that now I'm going to check my Terraform version, Terraform hyphen v. So now if you are seeing my Terraform version is v1.1.4, then it is out of date. So the latest version is 1.1.5. Okay, so now we are going to download this version 1.1.5. Okay, how to do that? We need to run these commands only, friends. Curl fssl https apt release hashicop.com. So sudo apt key add. So this command first we need to run it. Just enter this command and it is saying okay. Then next is we need to run this command repository. So that this command just copy paste it. So then next last command is sudo apt update sudo apt-get install Terraform. So we are installing the Terraform. So it is installing now. You can see these things. Now it is running apt-get inside cloud shell. Then package is running, just it is connecting right now, it is working. So it is reading the packages now. So just give some time, so definitely it will do that. So building some dependencies, reading the packages. Now you can see setting up the Terraform 1.1.5. So now if I am checking Terraform -v, definitely version 1.1.5 it will show, friends. So now you can see Terraform version 1.1.5 we have successfully installed it. So now I'm clearing it and I'm showing it again, version Terraform -v. If you are putting then v1.1.5. so the next we can see. So we have done, friends, successfully we have done it. So on cloud shell you can install the Terraform. After that you can provision the VM by using the Terraform commands. So definitely it will be useful for you, friends. No need to install any software in your local system desktop. So instead of that you can install the Terraform in your Google Cloud Shell directly. Then one more thing, friends, if you are installing the Terraform, definitely it will be, I think, 24 hours only it will take. So after that we need to install it again and again. So that's what so it's ephemeral only. Cloud Shell, it's ephemeral. So if you are putting some files, it will not be deleted, but if you are installing this kind of Terraform version, so definitely it will go. So it will take 1 day minimum, I think so, but you can check it from your end. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day. Bye bye.